Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video I am going to tell you a zikr. اللہمغفرلی والدی وللمومینین والمومنات ولمسلمین والمسلمات. If you keep reciting this 27 times, and you can recite it any time in a day, after Salah, before Salah, after Azan, or you are doing any work, then you can perform this, recite this, you can read this, and you are sitting freely, so you can recite it, or you can recite with wuzu or without wuzu. Whenever you recite this 27 times, اللہمغفرلی والدی وللمومینین والمومنات والمسلمین والمسلمات, and after reciting this, whatever you ask from Allah, Allah will give you, surely give you. And even if you recite it after tahajjud salah, and then you ask anything from Allah, Allah must give you. When you recite it, just focus on, because in this dua you are asking forgiveness from Allah for Muslim men and women, for Muslim ummah. You are asking forgiveness from Allah for your parents. That's why Allah will definitely give you, because what we ask for other people, Allah first give us that thing. This is very effective for accepting prayers, for accepting dua. And if you have any urgent need, just perform 2 rakat namaz salah of hajat, and after that recite this 27 times and ask Allah your dua, your wish, your need. You will see immediately you will be helped. Even I have recited it many times. I have tested it many times. Whenever I had severe need, I wanted something immediately, I started reciting it. I recited 27 times and asked Allah whatever I need. After that few minutes, I again recited it 27 times and asked Allah. And you guys won't believe it, Allah gave me whatever I asked after reciting it. So it is very good for accepting prayers, for accepting duas. So just perform 2 rakat namaz salah hajat and then recite 27 times this and ask anything, and you will see spirituality will increase. You will love towards more zikr and askar, and your trust on Allah, your trust on zikr and askar will develop. You will see amazing love and passion in your heart when you recite this. And even if you recite this in Ramzan before iftar, so before iftar, whatever we ask, Allah always accepts our prayers. So before iftar, when you are sitting for iftar, just recite it 27 times and keep asking your duas, your wish about wealth, about health, or keep asking about your issues or problems, or if you have loan, so keep asking about it and keep praying for this. Or you have marriage issues, children issues. So after reciting 27 times in Ramzan before iftar, just recite it and ask Allah whatever you will ask, Allah will definitely surely give you. Even that I have seen many people who recited it and dua, and whenever they dua after reciting it, alhamdulillah, their duas were accepted. I have many experienced, and many people told me about it, and I am also very sure about it. And this is also my belief and trust. This is also my experience. That's why I'm creating a video, because it is very small dua. Allahumagfirli walidayya walilmuminina walmuminati walmuslimina walmuslimat. So I also have routine to recite this dua, and I ask my dua after reciting it. And whenever I recite it and I ask dua in sajda, in sujood, Allah always gives me. Allah always gives me. I never felt disappointment, alhamdulillah. So because many people complain that whatever we ask we are not given, or whatever we dua, our duas are not answering, and that's why we are suffering a lot. So just start this practicing. Before dua, recite it 27 times and see from your eyes that your dua must accept. Allah must answer. Allah must answer your dua, your prayer, and your desire, your need will be fulfilled, inshallah ta'ala. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.